Hi everyone, I'm Francois. I just received this week, and I guess now I'm part of the cult. Maybe some of you already know what's in here, but let's get right into it because it's time to watch. I ordered this a couple of weeks ago, and quite frankly, it comes from far, so I thought it would be anywhere between 6 to 8, maybe 10 weeks before I get it. But I received it now, and I hope to unbox it with you, and hope you like this one. Let's get it open. So because it comes from far, I guess they put attention to detail in the bubble wrapping. As you can see, the envelope is bubble wrapped. Even that is bubble wrapped, even better than I thought, quite frankly. So let's try to get something started here to get this open. So at the intro, I mentioned that, I now am part of a cult. Well, it's a cult-like following, let's say, for people who collect these types of watches. And maybe you already know about this because I'm here in Canada, and if it comes from far, well, maybe you already know what it is. So let's get this open right away. Lucky I have this trusty knife, and we'll see what's in here now. Wow, lots of wrapping. Okay, we got to it, and there it is, a Vostok. So it comes from Russia directly. So Vostok is written in these letters here. It's kind of embossed in there, and as you can see, the casing is really solid. It's kind of a plastic, and that's a coat, I guess a product coat of some sort. So let's try to get this tape off and get this open. So Vostok is, like I said, a cult following of some sort. Quite frankly, I don't know this. Teddy Baldassar mentioned this in a few times in his reviews, and I can't wait to get this open up to see what it is. So the paperwork here, let's see this. Okay, as I figured, this is in Russian. We'll see this later how this works. And again, bubble wrap. Let's put this aside and try to, oh, there it is. That was easier than the initial one. And there it is. That's the Vostok. It doesn't have the blue the blue hand, second hand, but if I take this off, let's peel this off and we'll see it better. The blue second hand is the one I wanted. It's the one that Teddy Baldassar had mentioned and showed off, and it wasn't in stock. So if you see the case back here, let's look at this. Wow, yeah, it's all in Russian. Wow, and I'm surprised about this. This strap is really smooth to the touch, and seems to be comfortable. It's not signed. The buckle is not signed. You have two keepers here, and the watch, of course, is in stainless steel, I guess. That's what's written in here. Oh, you can see there on the right side there, it's 200 meters. So that's I guess it's the water resistance, and that's what I was told. It's 200 meter water resistance, and with the screwed in case back and of course the stainless steel, it's built tough. Stainless steel throughout the bezel as well. You notice that it's kind of brushed on there, and it doesn't seem to be aligned here. So let's just turn this, but there's no click or anything. So and it's a bi-directional, so it's basically just pressed on there. And of course, I'm wondering if someone's going to be diving with this. So let's see how the crown operates. Oh, that's different. Kind of wobbly. It screws back in right away, so it's kind of difficult to grasp what position is. Okay, now it's winding. Okay, so if you take it out just a little more, there we go. You can change the time, and I'm wondering how the date is changed. And I see that it hacks here, but I'm just wondering because I can't seem to find the position to change the date. So it screws in. It seemed to be at the right place. So now it's completely out and completely in. So I guess it's different. So we'll see how that works. It's not a signed crown, and it's a combination of polished and brushed. And here you see the strap is smooth with those lining there to I guess to give more style. It's proof that it's stainless steel, and it's really, really simple, but it's really smooth. I'm surprised at the smoothness of this strap. I guess it's going to be really comfortable on my wrist. Here it is in all its glory. So the infamous Vostok. Let's look at that dial. Let's brush it off a little. So everything is in Russian. You see that the name, of course. I guess that's 31 joules. I guess so. And at the bottom there, I guess it's indicated that it's made in Russia. So it's really interesting. Really nice. And let's see about this crown again and how it operates. I'm just curious. You can see, like I said, it just wobbles all over the place. My understanding is that this is a hand-winding watch. So, okay, there it is. Okay, I got it now. Okay, so I'm winding it now. Got it. So it's not very obvious how to operate it. And at the price, I guess, you can't expect much. So let me just screw this back in and put it on my wrist, and we'll see how it looks. So here it is on my 7-inch wrist. I must say it's really comfortable. Like I said, that strap is really soft and comfortable, and it doesn't hug my wrist as much as I thought, but it really looks good. And I must say I should have received this bezel, but they changed it with this one, and I like it better, I must say. If you like these types of reviews or unboxings, don't hesitate. Press that like button, press that notification bell as well. You'll be notified when I come out with this review. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you next time.